Ace your job hunt, dominate the game. What's up, hustlers? You want to level up your career and land that dream job? You're in the right place. This ain't some fluffy motivational talk. This is about putting in the work and crushing it. We're diving deep, giving you the no BS playbook to navigate the job market like a boss. From understanding your strengths to absolutely killing it in interviews, we're covering it all. Get ready to unlock your potential and dominate the competition. Let's go. Self-awareness. Know your value. First things first, you gotta know your strengths. What are you insanely good at? What gets you fired up? This ain't the time to be humble. Own your skills. Now match those skills to your dream job and industry. Don't just apply randomly. Be strategic. You're not a fit for everyone, and that's okay. Find the companies where your talents will shine the brightest. Research. Don't be a lazy applicant. Listen up. You wouldn't walk into a pitch without knowing your client, so why treat a job interview any differently? Do your homework. Research the companies you're targeting. Understand their culture, their mission, their latest moves. Show them you're not just another resume, you're invested. Resume and cover letter. First impressions matter. Your resume and cover letter are your first impression. Make it count. No more generic templates. Tailor them for each application. Highlight your skills and achievements, but more importantly, connect them to the company's needs. Show them how you're the solution to their problems. Chapter 4. Online presence. Build your brand. Your LinkedIn profile is your online storefront. Make it pop. Professional photo, killer headline, detailed experience, the works. But don't just exist online. Be active. Engage with industry content, share your insights, and build your network. Chapter 5. Networking. It's about connections. Networking isn't about schmoozing. It's about building genuine relationships. Attend industry events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to reach out. Remember, referrals are gold. A strong recommendation can catapult you to the top of the pile. Chapter 6. Interview prep. Practice makes perfect. You've landed the interview, now it's showtime. Practice your answers to common questions using the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. And don't forget to prepare insightful questions about the company and the role. This shows you're genuinely interested and not just going through the motions. Chapter 7. Continuous learning. Stay ahead of the game. The job market is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep learning, keep growing. Take online courses, attend workshops, and stay updated with the latest industry trends. This shows employers you're adaptable, hungry for knowledge, and committed to your growth. Chapter 8. Follow up. Show you're hungry. Don't underestimate the power of a thank you email after an interview. Reiterate your interest, highlight key points, and leave a lasting impression. Remember, even if you don't get the job, every interaction is a chance to build a connection. You never know where it might lead. Outro. Go get that dream job. There you have it, folks. The blueprint to crushing your job search and landing that dream role. Now go out there and execute. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hustle, dedication, and a whole lot of self-belief. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more game-changing career advice, and share this video with anyone who needs that extra push to level up. Let's go.